I'm Randy Starr. I'm the head of logistics software for Kodiak. I'm responsible for ensuring that we can integrate our self-driving trucks into the software ecosystems that our customers use. TMS systems, or transportation management systems, are pretty much the lifeblood of a trucking company's software systems.
From somebody from outside of the industry wondering what a TMS is, it's an absolutely essential operation tool that we use here within the enterprise.
In layman's terms, the brain of a trucking or logistics outfit. It aggregates all data across IoT, equipment, our drivers, safety information, load information, and really allows us to plan and execute.
TMS is the backbone of modern trucking and freight. It is how freight gets planned, dispatched, and tracked.
Our TMS system has really evolved over time from a very rudimentary, where it was built on manual load cards and a lot of interaction on a fax machine and calling both drivers and customers for all information. Over the years, we've continued to build that, and current day, we are moving to a new platform system that is very forward-thinking.
In the last decade or so, we've seen a boom of investment. We've seen emerging tech come out that solves some of these everyday problems that transportation providers go through, and really just expand the space and build more capability to execute on the freight needs of our customers.
I believe for our customers to feel that autonomy is a native part of their operation, it's critical to be able to treat it like the rest of their assets.
We need to meet the customer where they are, and we cannot expect them to move all of their operations or change their operations in order to integrate autonomous trucks.
So what it's been like for our team to interact and manage an autonomous truck on our network is actually very similar to what our day-to-day operations look like today. So our TMS is already built to seamlessly transition to viewing these as no different than a third-party carrier hauling our freight today. At the end of the day, it's a truck number that gets assigned to a load, and then that is used to process through the load's life cycle.
Autonomy complements our broader strategy in a couple of ways. One is that we look to be a technology leader in the transportation space. Two is it enables us to have excess capacity where maybe our drivers, we don't have enough drivers in an area to pick up a load to deliver. It gives us the capability to reach out and be able to execute that freight.
Yeah, working with autonomous trucks is great. You're really looking into the future when you see this technology out on the road. Over the next 5 years, we expect it to continue to be more refined, more advanced.
Had no idea that I'd be able to work with some of this emerging tech, that I would be able to be a part of building it. I'm really grateful for the opportunities that I have to work and collaborate with folks like Kodiak and really just make a difference in the space.
Werner is one of the companies that has understood very early on that autonomous trucks will be the future of trucking. There will be a new modality that can augment what they can do with human drivers.
Our work with Werner informed us on a lot of levels. Number one, we came to understand that our initial ideas and approach were sound. At the same time, it proved out that the integration does what it's supposed to do, and that we're able to successfully provide self-driving vehicles to a customer that can treat them like the rest of their assets. We learned how to do that seamlessly and ensure that it was largely invisible to our customer.
Integrating with a customer like Werner that is forward-looking, technology-driven, has taught us how we can create this as a blueprint that we can also apply to other customers.
Over time, the autonomous truck has proven to me it is a very viable solution for our safety needs on the roadway. Collectively with Kodiak and Werner, we came up with some good solutions.